I am Mrs. P. Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Self, V.V. Vaniyaperumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. In today's lecture, let us see about Python dictionaries. The Python dictionaries is considered as an fundamental and versatile data structure. It is used to store the values as key and value pairs. Each key will have its associated value. For example, if you are taking a car company which is going to store the car details in a dictionary, then the keys of the dictionary can be car name, model name, year of release of that car, and the values will be the, if you are going for a Hyundai company, then the car company name will be Hyundai, and what model they have given will be in the key model. So we have to create a dictionary with an associative key value pair. It is also called as dict in Python. And the values, if you want to fetch the values in a dictionary, it could be done with the help of keys only. Without knowing the key name, you cannot get the value in a dictionary. So let us see how to create a dictionary in Python. To create a dictionary, you can use either a opening and closing curly bracket, which will create you an empty dictionaries in Python. If you want to store a dictionary with some initial values, then that could also be done in Python. For example, here I have given dict2 as the dictionary name with students details as the key value pairs. Here the name of the student is considered as the key and Abhi is considered as the value of a dictionary. Then next attribute is age with the value 30. Register number is another key with the value 2320191001. In this similar way, you can create whatever dictionary values you can use in your program. So, to access the elements of a dictionary, there are two ways to access the values in a dictionary. You can use the opening and closing square bracket, or you can use the get method. If you are using the square bracket or get method, what should be the parameter for these two things is the key of the dictionary. With the help of key only, you can get the value of a dictionary. So here in the example, I have created already in the previous slide. I have the keys as name, age, reg. These three are the keys of that particular dictionary. So to access this value, here I have used the square bracket method as the first one with the name as the parameter of that square bracket. In the second method, I have used the get method. This method will also allows you to get the value associated with that particular key. So get of, I have given the name. So this will retrieve Abhi from this initial dictionary and place it in the variable name. And if I am printing this name variable, I will get the value as Abhi. Okay, how will you modify a value of any key in the dictionary? So the same way how you are accessing, you can modify. When you want to modify a value, you have to give the new value to that particular key. So the same example, name, age and register number is given in a dictionary. And if I want to change the age key to the value 17, then this could be done by dict2 of age is equal to 17. In the downside, I have given you the answer of it. So age 30 is converted as age 17. So this is a simple way to modify that value in a dictionary. So can we add a new key to that existing dictionary? So already I have created a dictionary with name, age and register number. Can I add some more key to that existing dictionary? Yes, we can do it. So to do adding that new key value, that could be done by dict2 of, here I am going to add class key to the dictionary. So dict2 of class will be equal to first BSc. So already in the existing dictionary, we have name, age and register number. Now I have added a class as one of the key in that dictionary, and that gets added in the dictionary. So below I have given you the answer, how it will be the original dictionary now gets changed. So this way you can add a new key to the existing dictionary. Next one, if I am created a dictionary, I have modified, I have accessed that value. How I can iterate throughout that dictionary? So this iterating of dictionary could be done with items of method. So this iteration will help us to print each and every key value pair of a dictionary. So since we have to iterate throughout the dictionary, I am going to use a for loop. So how I could do it? For key comma value in dict2 dot items of. This items of function will help you to iterate over the dictionary one by one. For example, in the above dictionary, again I am given name, age and register number. So if I am using dict of items, this will fetch my first key value pair, which is name is equal to Abhi. This name gets stored in key variable and Abhi gets stored in value variable. Again I have used a print statement below where it is going to print my key colon value. So this simple for loop will help you to iterate towards your dictionaries. Okay, then can I check for whether any key is present in my dictionary? This is also easy in Python using the in keyword. So here I have used an if loop to check whether the particular key is present in my dictionary. So I am going to check whether name key is present in dictionary 2. So if name in dict2, then the name exists. So that in keyword will help you to prominently identify the existence of particular key in a dictionary. So what are the use cases? Where do we use these types of dictionaries? So we can use this dictionary during the configuration settings. So what is a configuration settings? If I want to set some initial value to some variable, I can do this with the help of a dictionary. I can count the occurrence. For example, if I am given a sentence, I can find the occurrence of particular character, that is the frequency, and place it in a dictionary. These things will be done very simple and easy way in a dictionary. So mapping, grouping, counting, all those things could be done in an easy way with the help of dictionaries. So these are the use cases of dictionaries. Thank you.